says 4 circles are to be drawn along the center line of a square-shaped sheet of paper, so that their centers are 2.2 inches apart. The centers of the end circles are to be 1.7 inches from the respective ends. What is the area of this sheet of paper in square inches? The problem with this question would be to visualize how it looks. Okay, that's where the whole problem is, because the question doesn't give you enough visual information. Now, there is a center line. I don't care what a center line is right now, but it's a line. Okay, so here's my line. When they say that 4 circles are to be drawn along the center line, they basically mean from the very beginning of the line to the very end of the line. Okay, so here's how it's going to look. Okay, wait a minute until I'm finished drawing, and then you should be able to see it better. Okay, now of course it's really hard to draw to scale here, so I'll just try my best. So 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And then, since it says drawn along a center line, that means that they end at the end of the line, so there's nothing coming out here. Now this center line is the center line of a square, so this is how it should look like, something like this. Okay? Now, the question asks, what is the area of this sheet of paper in square inches? The area is side squared. I know it looks like a rectangle here, but it should be a square. So it's the side squared. Using the information given, I can get the length of the side. So here it says that the distance between the centers is 2.2 inches apart. So from here, let me change the color. So from here to here, how much is this? 2.2. Then from the center of the second circle to the center of the third circle, we have 2.2 again. Then from the center of the third circle to the center of the fourth circle, we have 2.2 again. Okay? So we have 3 2.2s. Okay? Then from here to here, from the center of the last circle to the edge of the circle to the outer side of the circle, which is the same as the side of the square, is 1.7 inches. And similarly here, the radius, you can call that the radius, is 1.7 inches. So what is the length of this center line? Rather, what is the length of the side of the square? It's 2.2 plus 2.2 plus 2.2 plus the 1.7 from the very left plus the 1.7 from the very right. Okay? Add these numbers together. 2.2 times 3 is 6.6. 6.6, 1.7 times 1 plus 1.7 is going to be 3.4. So the answer is 10. What is 10? The length of the side. What is the area then? The area is side squared. So 10 squared equals 100 square units. So the answer is D, 100 square inches.